Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll discuss the concept of Y parameters. Y parameters are also called as short circuit admittance parameters. This is the two-port network shown. This rectangular box represents the network, and we have two ports here, 1 dash 2 2 dash. Port is a pair of terminals in which signal can be entered or can leave. 1 dash is one pair of terminals, 2 2 dash is one pair of terminals. We call this as port 1 and this as port 2. Corresponding variables are V1 I1 at port 1, V2 I2 at port 2. Let us write the main equations of Y parameters. I1 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. I2 equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. Where y11, y12, y21 and y22 are called Y parameters are also called as network functions. Matrix notation can be represented by matrix notation of these two equations can be written as I equal to YV, where I is a column matrix, it has two rows and one column, and Y matrix is a square matrix, y11, y12, y21, y22. The suffixes are named in such a way that this is first row, first column element, first row, second column element, second row, first column element, second row, second column element. And voltage matrix is a column matrix again. This is how you can represent these two equations in matrix form. Let us write the parameters one by one. Y11 equal to, let me write main equations here, I1 equal to y11 v1 plus y12 v2, I2 equal to y21 v1 plus y22 v2. So we can write y11 equal to, here from this equation, from the first equation, I can write I1 by v1 when v2 equal to 0. Next, I can write y12 as first equation itself, I1 divided by V2 when V1 equal to 0. Next, Y21 as I2 divided by V1, from second equation I am writing I2 divided by V1 when V2 equal to 0. Y22 can be written as I2 divided by V2 when V1 equal to 0. This is how we can define the parameters Y11, Y12, Y21 and Y22. Let's name them. y11 equal to I1 by V1 when V2 equal to 0. You always look for this condition first. This is V equal to 0 means short circuit. I equal to 0 means open circuit. In Z parameters, we have seen the conditions I2 equal to 0 and I1 equal to 0. Whereas here you can see the conditions V2 equal to 0 or V1 equal to 0. When you see V equal to 0, we consider that as short circuit. So I'll start writing here as V2 equal to 0, short circuit. Then look for the ratio. This is ratio of port 1 variable to port 1 variable. So we can write, this is happening at input side. So we can write this as input. I by V. Then look at the variables I by V. I by V means admittance. Short circuit input admittance. Next, y12. Y12 is I1 by V2 when V1 equal to 0. V1 equal to 0 indicates we have to write short circuit. Next, look for the ratio. It is the ratio of port 1 variable to port 2 variable. Then we have to write it as a reverse. If the ratio is port 2 to port 1, you have to write the forward. And this is the ratio of port 1 variable to port 2 variable, reverse. And also you can see the ratio is I by V. I by V means it is admittance. And as this is a port 1 to port 2 to ratio, we will write it as transfer, because we are taking two variables at different ports. So we'll use the word transfer, and I by V represents admittance again. So Y12 is defined as short circuit reverse transfer admittance. Next, Y21. Here V2 equal to 0. We'll write, always start with the condition short circuit and ratio of port 2 to port 1 variable. So forward transfer I by V, that is admittance. Y21 is defined as short circuit forward transfer admittance. Next, Y22, V1 equal to 0, V equal to 0 always means short circuit. And ratio here is port 2 variable to port 2 variable, output port. I by V is admittance. So Y22 is defined as short circuit output admittance. This is how we can define Y parameters. Next, let us draw the equivalent circuit. From the equations, we can see I equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, I2 equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. So we can write in such a way that when you apply KCL, it should satisfy that equations. This is Y22, Y21 V1, this is Y12 V2, this is Y11, and 1 dash V1, this is I1, here I2, port 22 dash V2. Okay, this is the equivalent circuit shown. If you apply KCL here at this point like that, if you apply KCL, we'll get the main equation I1 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2. Currents entering equal to currents leaving. Even this is leaving. And even if you apply KCL at this point, we can write I2 equal to currents entering equal to currents leaving. Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. These are the main equations which we have written in the earlier slide. And one more point is, if Y12 equal to Y21, then the network is said to be reciprocal network or bilateral network. This is all about the concept of Y parameters. That's all for this video. Thank you.